Okay, this will be a quick review on how to solve similar triangles. Remember that similar triangles are two triangles that have the same angles. So in this triangle, you can see that already that there are two right angles, so those go together. And then we have vertical angles here that are equal. When two lines cross, they create two equal angles like that. And then since two of the angles are equal, we know the third angle also has to be, these two have to go together because it always adds up to 180. Okay, so we know what our three angles, which angles go with which sides. So 8 is across from the double arc here. 10 is across from the right angle. Z is across from the single arc. X is across from the single arc. 7 is across from the right angle. And Y is across from the double arc. So I can see which sides go together, and I can set up my proportions, because remember that similar triangles have proportional sides. So if I want to find Y, then I can go ahead and say, all right, Y goes with the double arc, so Y goes with 8. So Y over 8 should equal 7 over 10, because 7 goes with the right angle in the left triangle, and then 10 goes with the right angle in the right triangle, the right hand triangle. So this is a proportion I can set up. Y should be, Y is to 8 as 7 is to 10. And then I can just cross multiply. 10Y equals 56. So Y equals 5.6. Okay, then to find Z, I can just use the Pythagorean theorem if I want to. And once I find Z, I can use Z to find X with proportions again. So let's just go ahead and finish it up. On the right, the triangle on the right is a right triangle with two sides that we know. So we know that 8 squared plus Z squared is 10 squared. So 64 plus Z squared equals 100. So Z squared equals 36. So we know that Z must be 6. All right, so Z is 6. Got Z, we've got Y, and now we just need to find X. So we can set up a proportion again using Z now that we have it. Z is across from the single arc, and so is X. So I can set up another proportion. I can say that Z, which is 6, is to X as, we'll just use the hypotenuse again, 10 is to 7. And then we can cross multiply, and we get 42 equals 10x, so x equals 4.2. So we found all the missing parts using proportions and using the Pythagorean theorem. So similar triangles, you definitely need to know how to figure out if two triangles are similar and be able to find the missing parts using proportions. So that is a review of that concept. And that's all there is to it.